In veterinary clinics and animal hospitals, the YR06180 Pet ICU Incubator offers a safe, stable, and controlled environment for patients in recovery and intensive care. Its precise temperature control system eliminates hot spots and maintains even heat distribution, providing greater stability and comfort for pets. Intelligent humidity control creates a balanced and healthy environment, while the heavy-duty ultrasonic humidifier and central water reservoir facilitate efficient and continuous operation. The YR06180 also incorporates negative ion generation and a sterilization function, helping to reduce the risk of cross-contamination and improving therapeutic conditions within the unit. Thanks to its medical nebulization system with a dual compressor, it allows for more efficient administration of medications and respiratory treatments. In addition, the carbon dioxide concentration monitor acts as an extra layer of safety to protect patients during the recovery process. Its ICU lighting creates a more comfortable environment, while the integrated safety mechanism ensures reliable use for veterinary staff. The YR06180 Pet ICU Incubator combines technology, safety, and intensive care to provide improved recovery conditions in modern veterinary medicine.